Hey, in this video, I will show you how to convert cryptocurrency into fiat on Binance in 2021. It's a simple tutorial, beginner friendly. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new. Let's jump into it. So what you want to do is open up the Binance app. If you don't have a Binance account yet, this is the time to sign up. They have the lowest fees. I'm personally using Binance. So if you can, sign up with the link in the description down below. So what you want to do to actually convert cryptocurrency into fiat, the easiest way is using the Binance app. Download it from the App Store, the Google Play Store, and if you have the light version, it's the easiest one, it's the basic one you get. You don't have to switch to a professional one. Click on the yellow button in the center, click convert, and now select the cryptocurrency that you want to convert. For example, let's say that you want to get out of some BNB and you want to select USDT. So from BNB to USDT, confirm, and you can select whatever amount of BNB you have. I don't really have any big amount of BNB right now. I got out of it because it's really being pumped right now, and I think it's way over what it should. And all you got to do is preview conversion and then convert. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see you in the next video.